Have you ever gotten a late fee from the Bank of America credit card? Well, I just did.
If I only had turned on AutoPay.
Where is that AutoPay button? I wonder if it's because Bank of America wants to make money off those high interest fees. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on AutoPay for Bank of America credit cards, such as the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature, and you're going to say goodbye to those late fees. Bank of America's AutoPay system relies on their e-bills requests, so here's how it works. Step 1, go to the Bank of America website and log in with your credentials. Step 2, go to the top left page and go to Pay and Transfer. Step 3, in the drop down, find the Make a Payment. Step 4, for the credit card that you're looking for, press the Request an e-bill button. Step 5, a confirmation dialog will pop up, and enter your last four of your social security number and click Add/Submit, depending on if you have multiple credit cards with Bank of America. Step 6, if you have multiple cards, click the Accept Terms checkbox and click Submit. Step 7, now go to your email and look for a email from your Bank of America where it says that you have set up e-bills properly. Step 8, go back to your Bank of America main page. Step 9, go to the Make a Payment section from Pay and Transfer. Step 10, for your credit card, you should now see an AutoPay button. Step 11, click the AutoPay and now select the dialog of all the options that you want. I recommend the following. Make the pay the full statement balance. You can select when you want to pay depending on when you have the money in the account, and also set up email notifications for when your payment has been made, etc. Step 12, click Start Sending Payments. Step 13, a confirmation dialog will pop up with all your information for this AutoPay. Either click Close or print this for your records. Now that you've learned how to protect yourself from credit card late fees, check out this next video on how to fly your family for cheap using credit card points.